Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a recipe book inside Notion using a free template. If you've been looking for a simple way to organize your recipes, meal ideas, and cooking inspiration all in one place, this tutorial will help you get started quickly and easily. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open Notion and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, look toward the top left side of the screen. You'll notice a drop-down menu that gives you access to more options and features within Notion. Click on that menu and choose the option called Browse Templates. Templates in Notion are extremely helpful because they give you a ready-made layout that already looks clean and professional. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can simply customize an existing design and save yourself a lot of time. After opening the template section, go to the search bar and type Recipe Book. You'll then see multiple recipe templates appear on your screen. Some templates are designed with image galleries, while others focus more on ingredients, categories, or meal planning. Take a moment to scroll through the available options and choose the one that looks best for your needs. Once you find a template you like, click on it and select the Add button. Give it a few seconds to load into your Notion workspace. After it finishes loading, your new recipe book will be ready to use. Now comes the fun part, customizing your recipe book. You can start by adding your own personal details. For example, you might want to include your name, a short cooking quote, or even a description about why you created the recipe collection. Small personal touches can make the workspace feel more unique and enjoyable to use. You can also upload photos of your meals, organize recipes into categories, and create tags for things like quick dinners, desserts, healthy meals, or family favorites. This makes it much easier to search through your recipes later on. One of the best things about Notion is how flexible it is. You can move sections around, change layouts, edit colors, and adjust the structure however you want. Don't worry about making mistakes while customizing because Notion allows you to easily undo changes and experiment with different ideas. In just a few simple steps, you can create a professional-looking digital recipe book that keeps all your favorite meals organized in one place. Using templates is a great way to save time while still creating something personalized and visually appealing. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn how to create your own recipe book in Notion. If you found this guide useful, make sure to leave a like and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.